Hello again, diecast collectors. So today I want to take a look at some of my dump trucks in my collection. Now I have to admit, I do get ideas from watching other people's videos, and I think sometimes if I could do a similar video, I might be able to add some similar type vehicles that maybe people want to see. So recently I watched a terrific video done by Mike Espo. I'm sure a lot of you people that check out my channel, you're familiar with Mike and his awesome collection. Anyways, he had showed some vintage metal die-cast dump trucks a few weeks ago. And I got a few other ones I thought would be cool to look at. So these are all basically the same. And these are Euclid dump trucks. And they were made by a company called Universal. I believe these are from the late 1970s. All metal. You just tell by the sound it's all metal. Pretty cool. Now that one has yellow hubs. And it does seem on these Universals that there are different color hubs. This one's got white hubs. Take a quick look at the base there. Ten wheels. So very cool. That's the Universal. And another similar dump truck here, which I believe is also from the 1970s. And this was made by a company called Mercury Toys. And the Universal ones, those were made in Hong Kong. This one actually was made in the USA. So thinking 70s on this one as well. It's a slightly or similar casting to the Universal, but it's definitely bigger. Let's see what else we got here. It also says auto car on there. So it says auto car on the bottom of the tipper. Mercury Toy Corp USA, but it's quite similar in construction to the other the Universal, but quite a bit heavier, I think. So very nice. Next up, because I think I want to do a size comparison. Okay, this is a later version of the Lesney Euclid dump truck. There's a comparison size-wise to the other one. So a bit smaller. Does have a little bit of playwear to it. Still very cool. 1960s on this one, I know, for sure. Quick look at the base. All right, so there's another one of those. Got two of those. So I do have a little fleet of dump trucks. Next up is an earlier version of the Euclid dump truck from Lesney, which is a bit smaller than the later version. And this one only has 6 wheels. So, definitely a different version. Very cool. I got to make some room here. Okay, so we got the Universal, the Mercury Toy, and the Lesneys. Now, I want to talk about this one here. Now, this is a Mack dump truck, and this is an old Matchbox super fast. Now, most of these things I bought loose, so if they have a little bit of age to them, quite all right. Does not hurt construction vehicles at all. Matter of fact, I always think that construction vehicles should look like they've been working. Not all shiny and perfect. So very cool casting. Early 1970s on this one. Then later on, Zilmex came and did the same exact casting. So, same identical truck, it's just a Zilmex version. And I actually have 3 of the Zilmex Mack dump trucks. So getting a nice little fleet of dump trucks here. I got one more I want to look at. And that's this guy here, which is a Yatming Hino dump truck. All metal. Made in Hong Kong. So, not sure if it's the late 70s or the 80s. But a nice, solid, excellent little dump truck. And of course, Yatming did many, many versions of this little Hino truck, including cement mixers and tow trucks and all sorts of good stuff. So there you have it, folks. Those are some of the dump trucks in my collection. Hopefully I will find some more here down the road. I probably will. Because it's kind of a cool little group of vehicles to have. Thanks for watching, everybody.